This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, July 26th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have the energy coming through the western Great Lakes with the northwesterly flow coming out of Canada, a ridge beginning to build over the Intermountain West and the desert south and west, and with this energy coming through, that'll bring that frontal system through the state by the morning hours. We could see some lingering showers in the afternoon as well in the far eastern counties, otherwise partly to mostly sunny skies from central and western Iowa with highs in the 70s mainly. And by Saturday morning and again on Sunday morning, temperatures will be down into the upper 40s to low to mid 50s with highs getting back up to around 70 or 75 degrees across the state as the rain is off to our east over the Great Lakes. That continues here on to Sunday. After morning lows in the upper 40s to mid 50s, highs will be back into the 70s across the state with some increasing shower and thunderstorm activity off to our south and west over the plain states and into the south and west. That begins to move in our direction here on Monday. It still looks mainly dry across the state here on Monday with the shower activity around Kansas City, Wichita, down to Tulsa and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And then as we move into Tuesday, that looks to maybe skim the southern counties of the state with maybe an isolated shower, a 20% crack. Better chances down in Missouri and into Arkansas and the Tennessee and Ohio River valleys. And then as we head to Wednesday, you can see the shower activity off to the south and east, a typical afternoon air mass thunderstorms down there. Around here it looks fairly quiet and dry here for Wednesday, but then by Thursday we have another storm coming in from the west, so some shower and thunderstorm activity mainly in far northwestern Iowa, especially Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening, and then that will begin to move in here by next Friday with this westerly flow. The main westerly's pretty much over us, the flat ridge over the south keeping a lot of the warmer air down there. But around here with the westerly to west-northwesterly flow, we'll have a system flowing or coming through the state. So Thursday night into Friday and Friday afternoon could see some shower and thunderstorm activity with high pressure looking to nose in from Canada once again for the following weekend. As we head into the extended period on August the 6th, still a flat ridge over most of the south, a bit of a omega block over Canada, but the westerlies are still over us, and with that we'll have some southerly winds with a little bit of warm air coming in, shower activity off to our east and to our north, and maybe temperatures back into the 80s as this point is nearing the state fair time. And at the end of the forecast on August the 10th, which will be about 3 days into state fair, 594 ridge over Nevada into northern California. We still have a west to northwesterly flow aloft, and that's going to keep temperatures fairly seasonal across our neck of the woods. A storm system will have moved off to our east, if this is to be right, with some shower and thunderstorm activity there, and some partly to mostly sunny skies for the first weekend of the Iowa State Fair. As we look at the satellite image from last evening, we had one storm system moving off the east coast with some cloud cover, especially in New England. We had the storm system moving across the Midwest down into the plains with some showers and thunderstorms, and the monsoonal flow over the south and west continues. The watch warning map from last evening, we still had flash flood watches over south and southern and southwestern New Mexico into West Texas, across Oklahoma, Arkansas into southeastern Kansas, with a severe thunderstorm watch expiring in northwestern Oklahoma. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock shows most of this rain occurred yesterday, but there still could be maybe another tenth or two over the next 5 days. As I said, most of this occurred yesterday.